This is how to transfer money on the TymeBank app in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Simply follow along and look for the same options. First, open the TymeBank app and sign in. Once you are on the home page, tap Pay. Next, choose the option to pay a beneficiary. If you already have a beneficiary saved, select the beneficiary you want to pay. If you do not have one saved yet, add a new beneficiary by entering the required banking details and saving them. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. You will then be asked for a payment reference. This step is optional. Next, review the payment details to make sure everything is correct. Once you are ready, confirm the payment. Depending on your security setup, you may be asked to enter your TymeBank PIN or complete an OTP verification. The app will then process the transfer and show a confirmation once the payment is successful. And that is it. That is how you transfer money on the TymeBank app in South Africa. If this helped you, remember to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.